Hi friends, we finally bought our TV unit from Harvey Norman. It costed us $700. We are really unsatisfied with the customer service of Harvey Norman Springvale. It wasn't delivered on time with more than 2 weeks delay. We browsed different furniture stores such as Amart and finally found this one in Harvey Norman. Also, we bought a coffee table that I wanna unbox it in another video. We were really excited when we received the products, but we found that there is a damage on the base of the TV unit. We had so much issue with the customer service of Harvey Norman and we never buy from them until there is IKEA in Australia, which is really fantastic in furniture products. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you on next video.